today?
I'm a little tired, but I'm good. It's Friday. We've had a great week at Northwoods.
Yes, we have. I am not tired because my dogs, as you know, Rhubarb and Willow, they are my alarm clock, my furry alarm clocks, and we've been up since 4 a.m.
Great. Then you're
Yes.
you're ready to go.
Yes,
That's awesome.
I had some protein for breakfast too, so feeling good.
Good.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to start with the Pledge of Allegiance. We are giving thanks to Ms. Zabraki and her Group B students and Timber and you for
Yes.
leading the pledge.
Here we go.
So here we go. That was great. All right, we have lots of birthdays because we're doing this week's birthdays and next week's birthdays. So let's get going. All right, first, October 5th, last Monday, was Audrey.
On the 7th was Hadley H.
October 8th, Rivia and Brady.
On the 9th, which is today, Anakit and Peyton, happy birthday.
And tomorrow we have Holden. And then on Sunday we have Samantha and Karina.
Sunday's also my nephew's birthday.
Oh, well, happy birthday to
fun
him.
Fact. And Blake and Naya will be celebrating on next week on October 12th.
And Tuesday next week we'll have Sawyer and Coco.
And then on the 14th, Avery, Amelia, and Ethan will be celebrating.
The 15th, we have Valerie and Moria.
And on the 16th, we have Kinley.
And then next weekend, we have Luke and Lilia.
And on the 18th, Caitlin and Mira. Happy birthday.
Great. So those are our birthdays for these 2 weeks.
Have a great time. Will you be getting a birthday pencil if it's your birthday, Mrs. Fuzzy?
You will. You'll either get it in your distance choice bag today, or you will be getting it from your classroom teacher next week or the week after. So look for that.
Perfect. Now, are we having lunch next week?
We are. On Monday and Tuesday, you will have the choice of chicken tenders, mashed potatoes, whole grain dinner roll, veggies and fruit, and then one of those great frozen yogurt cups.
I like those.
Yeah. Or you could have a bento box with some cheese pizza that you build yourself and those yogurt as well. So you will enjoy.
And then the following week, it's my favorite mini maple pancakes, sausage links, tri-tater potatoes, veggies and fruit, or the bento box will be our whole grain bagel with cream cheese, yogurt cup, fresh veggies, and fresh fruit.
And then on Wednesday and Thursday, the 21st and 22nd, you could either have a beef hot dog or a black bean burger with sun chips, apple slices, caramel dip, which is a fall favorite.
Yes.
And veggies and fruit, or the bento box with soy butter and grape jelly with the bag snack, some protein, and veggies and a fruit choice.
Delish. So what are we going to talk about in Pack Pride today, Mrs. Fuzzy?
Well, I think most of us have had some introductions to what this is all about. And so starting the week of October 19th, we're really going to dig into accountability. And when we talk about accountability,
it's being a great leader or following the right person. And I've had some opportunities in my life where I've seen people make a really good choice and another friend make maybe a lesser good choice or a poor choice. And I was in that position where I had to decide which person am I going to follow? Am I going to go with the person that's making the good choice, or am I going to go with the person making maybe a poor choice? I think sometimes we see examples of this maybe on the bus, maybe when trying to keep our social distancing. Maybe when we're deciding if we're doing our own work, or maybe we're looking on someone else's work. Making that good choice not only makes you feel good, but also shows that you're a strong leader.
Right. And I think the other thing I'll just add to that with accountability is that sometimes you might make mistakes. And that's okay because mistakes are a part of life and we have to own our mistakes and then figure out a way to problem solve around our mistakes and learn from it. So
And let
that's
it
another.
go then. I think
Yeah,
sometimes we have to just, okay, I made a mistake. I'm sorry. I apologize. But then I have to move on too.
right. So we're going to be looking for some great accountability in the next couple weeks.
Perfect.